solid advice about how to make money online that will benefit everyone. So many people talk about making money online that it is easy to think it is a scam. However, that's just not the truth. A lot of people make money online, and a lot of people make a lot of money online. If you want to be one of those people, make sure to keep watching for some tips. One convenient way to make money online is to start writing. There are many different sites that will pay you to create content for various people. If you have done well in writing courses before, this could be ideal for you. You can get paid to write blog posts and more. Do freelance writing in your spare time to earn a decent amount of cash. There are websites that you can sign up for where you can choose from a wide variety of topics to write on. Typically, the higher paying sites will request that you take a test to determine your writing ability. Try doing some surveys online. You will not make as much money as you would with some other types of online work. These surveys usually do not take long, and they usually just ask for your opinion. If you join a legitimate survey site, those cents can quickly add up to some extra cash. Do you love to write? Are you finding it difficult to locate an outlet for your creativity? Try blogging. It can help you get your thoughts and ideas out, while also earning you a little money. However, to do well, make sure you blog about something you are both interested in and that you know a little about. That will draw others to your work. Once you have followers, you can bring in advertisers or start writing paid reviews. After watching the tips above, it should be clear that making money online is something you can do. You just need the right information, and that has been provided in this video. Now that you know what to do, make sure that you start doing it. You can absolutely make money online if you take action. Student loan.